Good old car care month, huh? I gotta take care of my Lincoln, get it ready for spring and summer and all that, freshen the car up, you know?
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
First you gotta wash it.
I know, it's filthy.
You got soap here?
I do.
Alright, let's knock it out. Let's go.
Let's do it.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Tires and spokes. Over there, you gotta do it better. Over there, that way, that way. Over here, over here. Underneath, underneath. You gotta go. Go get the thing to dry. All right. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that's much better. That's my baby.
Yeah, but it still has the one problem.
What problem?
It didn't start. I had to jump it.
You gotta jump it again?
Yeah, look. I bet you.
Don't worry about it. I got a battery.
Yeah, but look, just to show you, look, this thing doesn't start.
Yeah, well, you need a
That's
battery.
that.
You got one, didn't you get one?
I did.
You
for
got one.
advance.
All right,
All right, here.
that battery was on Columbus's boat, I think, when he came and hunted down for the world to be round. Nice. Nah, don't throw it.
No.
Hey, if I'm not wrong, they had everything in stock, huh?
Oh, everything. Anything you need for your car, they have.
Well, hey, at least the battery's done. There's nothing worse than being stranded somewhere with a dead battery, you know?
Tell me about it. No radio.
No radio. Okay. Wants to dance the samba all the time. All right, no radio.
No, but there you go. We don't know if we can dance the song, but if the car doesn't start yet, we got to make sure the battery's good. Oh yeah, man.
Beautiful. So what's next?
Next is fluids. Let's start with the windshield washer fluid, because without this, you got a dirty windshield. See, this windshield washer fluid is made to clean your windshield, the same way a man is made to take care of his car.
Right. Are you busting my chops now, like before? What do you mean, made man, right? Made man.
Dirty dog, you. Yo. This smells good.
Really? Like what?
It's like, dude, that's insane. Yeah, smell it again.
I smelled it.
Okay.
Where'd you get the funnels?
And of course, Advance.
They got funnels too?
Next, power steering fluid.
That's not power. It is power steering fluid.
You could use transmission fluid. It's the same thing, but
We're
why
gonna
not
do it
do it
right.
the right way? Let's do it. Put the top off.
Let's do it.
Smell it.
Now I know how that oil smells like.
You guys, I'm dead. No.
I know what oil smells like. That's it. You good? So what's next?
Trans fluid.
Let's do it.
All right. Beautiful. Last but not least, engine. All right. There you go. All the fluids are done.
You check the antifreeze?
No, I didn't actually. Does it need it?
I didn't see you walking around with antifreeze.
It does need antifreeze.
You got antifreeze?
I didn't grab it from the store.
We'll go get it.
So I'll be right back.
Go. Run.
Okay.
Run like the wind. Faster.
Pops!
Yeah.
Pops!
Right here.
Oh, there you are. I did not take that
Where'd you
long.
go get it? You went all the way to the wrong store?
I don't have
Right
a
out
car
here.
and I don't have a driver's license. I had to walk.
Okay, go. What's next?
Windshield wipers.
There we go.
Alright, Pops, I forgot to clean glass. The windows.
No problem.
Alright.
Nice and clean. So what's next?
Next, air freshener.
Ooh,
What
nice.
makes everything happens to make the inside of the car smell good.
Yummy. Here, go put it in the car.
Yum. Leroy, you would like this. Mmm.
Yummy.
Alright.
Yeah. That's gonna smell wonderful.
Supernova. Really?
Supernova.
It should say Super Continental.
You just took the words out of my mouth.
A few things you should already have in the trunk of your car in case of an emergency is a ratchet strap.
In case you get stuck, you can even pull yourself out with them things.
Right. And if you're mechanically inclined and you have a slight idea about engines, you got a toolkit. Let's open this up.
You know, you should have like a gas can or something in case you run out of gas.
You know, I completely forgot about that.
Well, okay, run over there. It's close
Let's
by.
run over. Hold on, we gotta see what's in here first.
Look at this.
All right.
I'll bring this stuff to the back of the car. You go get the gas can.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Let's do it.
You got it. All right, I'm back.
Where's the keys? You didn't leave me with the keys. I was gonna put these in the trunk for you. Oh, see? You know, it's always a good idea to have this sort of stuff in the trunk of the car, because in case of an emergency, you never know. This way you're prepared. You don't have to wait for anybody. You can take care of business. You know?
All set for the road.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.